With the Winter Games less than 3 weeks away now, senior reporter Brett Forrest spoke with a Colorado Springs man who's in charge of creating the ice for both the men's and women's ice hockey in Milan. Brett managed to get his insight on the race against time to finish the main arena, as it's yet to be complete.
That's right. I spoke to the chief ice maker. He's also called the ice master of the 2026 Winter Olympics ice hockey events, and all he can do is focus on making the playing surface the best that he can, something he's been doing for decades and for multiple Olympic Games. What he cannot control is the timeline of construction for the actual arena. With the game so close, it is coming down to the wire.
The sounds of hockey in Milan still taking a backseat to the sounds of construction. As the race to finish the main arena, called the Santa Giulia for the 2026 Milan Cortina ice hockey event, continues. A week ago, the arena opened its doors for the first time for a test event featuring Italy's top teams. The construction itself may not be completed by the time the women's tournament starts on February 5th, but for Don Moffatt, the chief ice maker for ice hockey at the 2026 Winter Olympics, all he can do is focus on what's in his control.
It's been a huge challenge. There's a lot of construction going on. I was just in the arena yesterday. We had it somewhat clean for our test event last weekend.
He says he gave construction crews free rein this week to get as much done as they can.
With the threat of they better get their work done this week over top of the ice surface, because starting on Monday, I'll be preparing the sheet for the Olympics.
The weather in Milan has been rainy, causing a lot of mud inside the venue from the construction crews. But Don has faith, at the very least, that hockey will be played. Everything else, though,
I don't know that things will be completely finished, cosmetically. But the showers will work. The locker rooms are going to be there. There's rubber on the floor so they can get to the rink. And I'm kind of biased, but the best part of the whole building is going to be the ice sheet.
The women's Olympic hockey tournament scheduled to start on Thursday, February 5th, followed by the men's to begin on February 11th. The rink itself is a little shorter than NHL standards, but the NHL and the Players Association have said that should not affect the games in a meaningful way. I'm Brett Forrest, News 5.